Hey guys, welcome back to another video with a Boogie. Oh wow, that boss's hair is literally in his mouth. What? Even. Well, the damage. Well, this is my base. Look. My base is golden. I have the most golden base in the world. Yes. My base is so gold. Ah! No, my base. I got it, my base. Whoa! Headshots! The headshot, boy. Baby, I'm waiting on you. Get out of here, I'm gonna get you. Die! Oh, wow. I need to reload already. Ah! I will destroy you. Oh no, my base. He's coming over. No! Get out of here. You ruined my perfectly good base. Oh yeah, his health is on red. He's gonna die. I mean, his health is on orange. He's about to be on red. Yeah, his health is on red. You don't stand a chance, buddy. You don't stand a chance. Ah! The damages, man. Oh my god, you got so much. Yes! Get your big head out of here. We won. We defeated the boss. So guys, this is gonna be my character on my computer, and then I show you my character on my mom's computer. And then I see if I can get it on my tablet because my tablet is dead. It's literally dead. Only has 100%. And guys, if we could get up to 100 likes or 100 viewers, then I start doing like special rounds and special games and that. So yeah. Where's the boss? Oh, she's right there. Ah, Portal. Where is she? There she is. I got my stupid boss. Oh no. 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 Ah! No. Get away from me. No. She got me. She got me. Ah. So this game was battle as a giant boss. Now we're going to play a game. Now, so this is what the game we're playing. Next, we're going to play a game called. Hold on, let me find it. So now we're not going to play any more Roblox. Now we're going to play some different. Oh no, I shouldn't see that. No, that's what I'm using to make videos. Now we're going to play some Minecraft. Yes. Now we're going to play Minecraft, and I think I have like 8 roads on there. I think so. And so, yeah, we have 8 roads. So now we're going to talk about something. So like, I'm not one of those famous YouTubers yet, but I may be still a little channel, but soon I'm gonna have I'm thinking about being a paleontologist. I know about some dinosaurs and stuff like that, yeah. So, yeah, and we still only have I only have 15 minutes, so now we're gonna create a world. Let's see. Oh, there are a lot. Oh wait, a new world. Oh, I have to sign in to create a world. So let's create a new world. So my world name is going to be the the extinction. I may not have spelled that one, but so no hard. And multiplayer. And that's one, so let's create it. Hit it. Alright. So apparently this is so Minecraft has a new update, and I already updated my game, so we'll find that update. I think. Generating world. Wearing a some famous people play Minecraft. No one ever remember Minecraft 2014 was held. Okay, start trial. So guys, always open the chest first because it gives you lots of supplies to survive. I'm gonna need a torch, so get this torch. So if we go here, this is all the stuff we have. So I'm gonna, oh, you have a wooden axe. So I'm going to put the supplies I need in my regular place. So I'm gonna need that fish. Well, this can stay. That, and then I'm gonna need this. And of course I'm gonna always use I'm gonna need a potato. I need a torch. Oh wow, I have 9 sticks. Okay. I'm gonna need this bread and my wooden axe. You know what? I'll take this dark wood plate and replace it with the empty map. So yeah. So now I have my wooden axe, so I should be able to could it break this better? No, because it's an axe. The axe are better for chopping wood. So I guess I got to use this to chop wood. So here so what I'm going to try to do is grab as much supplies as I can. Oh wow. Died in 2 hits, please. Hey cow, eat my dust. It should die faster because I have an axe. In real life, it would die in 1 hit. So yeah, it died in 2 hits. So, oh look, Traoris, ha. Break this. So now, I'm going to see if I can find some chests. So, where's the lava? There it is. So I'm gonna wait, I need a pickaxe for this. So S, there. So get it back. So hopefully lava will only go there. So, please don't say lava will go there. So I'm gonna go up these mountains. And that oh god. No, there. I got so much to climb, I'm so tired. So I think a strategy is to stay with the Traosis in the village though. So that's lost hearts there. But God, I've never been playing Minecraft that much, so if I get hurt, I don't know how to heal myself. So you tell me what buttons to do to heal, to eat the fruits. Cause if I go in here, I don't know how to eat the salmon. I can't eat it. And guys, I only have 5 minutes left, so is it YGN? I don't know what buttons to press, so was it shift? No. Exit. So not exit. I don't really know what buttons to press though, so help me out, please guys. So we'll drag. Wait a second. Hold on. If I can, so I'm gonna need my axe though. Hold on, I need the pickaxe first. So wooden pickaxe. Get out of there, get out of there. I'm gonna drag the lava to the water. So now I can use my axe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I did not think of that. So that, and that. Nobody's gonna want to step on this. Come on, lava. Lava? Why is it stopping? It need to get deep. That part need to get deeper. Oh, I see what the problem is. That stinky old Sam I am. Lovely days, lovely. What a day. Oh no, my axe is running out. I better switch to my stick instead, cause this stick is like invincible. Da 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 da. Oh wait, I'm too far away, so da 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 da. Oh no, it's too deep. Oh no, it's not. Lava. So I'm gonna lead the lava this way. How did this manage to get so deep though? Get out of here. Oh wait, I know what I can do. Now I'm gonna have to jump this. Ready? Hoot! Yeah! Oh no! I'm about to fall in the lava. So I need to scoot, step back. Lava. Really? Ooh. Whoa. Alright, so now I have to lead the lava this way. This is going to be Central Lava Park. Maybe I can drag the water to the lava. I want to see what happens. So here we go. So guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye. Oh wait, I forgot to hit escape there.